So Scott, you're here with us with weather. It was a little cold over Thanksgiving break. Can we expect any more of that over this week?
Well, actually, it's going to be warming up a little bit as we move into December, and that's a little bit odd for this time of year. Right now, we're looking at pretty mild temperatures in the city of Columbia, 62 degrees, winds blowing about 7 to 10 miles per hour. That's about average for December, maybe a little bit more, and considering what area you live in. And the humidity right now is a comfortable 44% as we look around the rest of the state now. And 62 in Columbia, Aiken at 64, Orangeburg as well at 64. In the upstate, it's a little bit cooler in 60 at Rock Hill and 58 in Greenville along the coast. It's about 63 in Charleston, and Myrtle Beach is a little bit cooler as well. Now, again, for reason for the partly cloudy skies right now, this low pressure system that was hanging over during the Thanksgiving holiday is still just outside Myrtle Beach and hanging around the Atlantic Ocean right now. But that is what's giving us partly cloudy skies, but that will continue to move out easterly as we move into tomorrow, and that will bring mainly sunny skies, and it will continue to be getting warmer as the week continues. You see this high pressure system right now hanging over us. That will be hanging over us throughout the entire week, and what that's doing is swirling these winds from the Gulf of Mexico and bringing very warm temperatures to the whole southeast, but especially in South Carolina, where we see temperatures right now continue to rise from the mid-60s into the 70s and even possibly into the low 80s. Big time warmth for December. Now, the next weather maker that we will have, this low pressure system out here around the Rockies that's bringing a lot of snow, very cold air right now. That will be the next time that we'll see any rain, but that will not be until later this week, and you'll see that right now on this map. Friday, that's where the cold temperatures are. Minneapolis, 5 degrees, very cold. Of course, they're used to that. You know that. That's, they can walk out in t-shirt and shorts probably in 5-degree weather. They're used to that by now if you've lived there long enough. 22 in Chicago, 33 in Cincinnati. As you see that cold air mass continuing to move towards us. Friday, it will be warm. It will actually be the warmest that it will be all week in Columbia and the state of South Carolina. Will be about 78, 80 degrees, somewhere in there. But by Saturday, this cold air mass will be here. It will bring us mid-50s, maybe high 50s, and the rain will be 40-50% chance. Now we're looking into tonight. It will be about 45 in Columbia, 39 in Florence. Over along the coast, it will be 49 in Charleston and 40 in Myrtle Beach. About the same temperatures in the upstate as well. For tomorrow, we'll see about the same temperatures, a little bit warmer, 68 in Columbia, and a little bit cooler in the upstate. Now looking at the 5 days, 65 for tomorrow, 70 on Wednesday, and again that warmth continues to come through. 73 on Thursday. The clouds move in and the rain will continue to move in on Saturday. 40% chance, guys, so great weather for December that we're looking at right now, but the rain will be here by about Saturday.
Definitely.
We're here with Scott Sullivan. Scott, can you please tell us how the weather's looking out today?
Well, guys, it's looking pretty great right now as we look at our current conditions outside. 72 degrees, pretty mild for a November day. Also, the wind blowing pretty good at 13 miles an hour, blowing a little bit to the northern part of the state. Right now, humidity also at a very comfortable 28% right now as we look around the rest of the state. And around the Midlands, it's also 70 degrees right now in Columbia, Orangeburg, and Aiken. Around there, as we look at the upper state, is also in the mid-60s, a little cooler in the upper 50s here in the upstate as well, and along the coast, we're looking at 70s as well. But that's getting ready to change as you see this low pressure system that's been bringing in these warm temperatures now beginning to move out into the Atlantic Ocean. And the high pressure system that I've been talking about for the last couple of breaks, that's in the Midwest right now. It's been bringing a lot of cold temperatures around the Midwest and around the upper states around here. In Iowa, things like that. Now let's take a look at how much colder it could be getting. Now we'll be getting this cold maybe around 21, and we also see 19 around in Iowa as well. But right now you see it's 70 in South Carolina. That is going to change drastically here starting tonight as well as we see these cold temperatures. And I know you all you people out there love colors, and this is exactly what we're talking about here. That blue, pink stuff is coming this way. It's going to be bowling that yellow stuff out, and that means cold weather is on the way, folks. That high pressure system you're looking at tomorrow morning right now rolling into the southeast, that will be staying here for the next couple of days. So that's going to bring some cooler temperatures as we continue to look. Looking at tonight's temperatures right now, 30 it will be Columbia for this evening. Florence, it'll be 27. Along the coast and even in Myrtle Beach, it's going to be at near freezing. Charleston, it will also be there as well. In the upper state, it's going to be very cold, 24, mid-20s in Rock Hill and Greenville as well. Looking at tomorrow, won't be nearly as warm as it was today. We're looking at about 53 for Columbia, 51 in Florence, and along the coast it will also be in the 50s as well. Now looking at the 5-day forecast, it will be 53 tomorrow, but it will be continuously warming up as we look through the week. 60 on Thursday, 65 on Friday, and by the weekend it will be hitting the mid-70s. But guys, we will be looking at possible rain chances on Sunday as that high pressure system continues to move in.
Well,